Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best dog doors that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the HighTech Pet Power Pet Electronic Pet Door. An electronic door that opens automatically in the presence of a corresponding dog collar offers several advantages. 1. Timid pets are more likely to use it as they don't have to push through a flap. 2. It automatically deadbolts after opening or closing. And 3. Because it closes tightly, you'll lose less heat in the winter, and AC in the summer, as your pet goes in and out. This door from HighTech opens upwards when your pet is approaching. You set the distance for the inside and the out. The door is made of bulletproof resin for added security and works for pets up to 100 pounds. Moving on at number 4, we have the BarksBar Original Plastic Dog Door. It's important to install the right size door for your dog. Too big and you may needlessly let air into and out of your home, yet choose one too small and your pet may injure itself when coming and going. When measuring your dog, measure from its shoulders, not its head, as dogs will duck when using a dog door. This door, made for dogs up to 100 pounds, features sleek aluminum edging that complements any decor fitted on a sturdy thermoplastic impact-resistant frame. The entire door is bite and chew-proof and is built to withstand heavy day-to-day use. It comes with a removable self-locking side panel. At number 3, we have the Endura Flap Pet Door Best Extra Insulated Energy Efficient Dog Door. While this door is more expensive, in exchange you'll get added energy efficiency and security. The frame is designed to expand and contract in hot and cold for maximum energy efficiency, while the double-layer flap is made of polyolefin-based polymer that's non-toxic, recyclable, and will not harden in winter nor yellow in the sun. The manufacturer claims it's as effective as double-pane glass at keeping the elements at bay, also thanks to its magnetic strips along the bottom and the sides, and has been tested to withstand winds up to 50 miles per hour. As for security, the locking cover is made of strong ABS plastic, the equivalent to a 1/16 sheet of steel. At number 2, we have the Ideal Pet Thru the Wall Pet Door. If you don't have an appropriate door where you could install a dog door, a wall-mounted one like this one may be the solution. This one from Ideal Pet works with walls up to 7 inches thick. Just make sure to pick a space that has no electrical lines, pipes, or wall studs. It's designed to be installed on the interior of your home. Keep in mind that while some walls can be easily patched, such as interior drywalls or exterior stucco walls, not all are easy to repair should you want to remove the door. The door itself has a tamper-proof mounting system, dual vinyl doors for added energy efficiency, and a removable lockout panel that snaps into place for when the door is not in use. And finally, at number 1, we have the PetSafe Plastic Pet Door for cats and dogs. This inexpensive plastic pet door has everything you want in a basic option. Its soft, flexible flap makes it easy for your pet to let themselves in and out, and it has a magnet at the bottom to help hold it in place. At nighttime or when you're out of town, snap on the closing panel to keep your home safe from stray animals. The door, available in 4 different sizes, is easy to install thanks to the included cutting template, detailed instructions, and installation hardware included. The plastic frame can be painted to match your existing door. Should the flaps wear out over time, PetSafe sells replacement flaps separately. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.